In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address in Evernote. Changing your email in Evernote is a straightforward process, but it does involve a few important steps to ensure everything transitions smoothly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to sign into your Evernote account using the web app. The web app is preferred for this kind of update, as it ensures that your changes are saved directly on Evernote servers, making it the most reliable method. Once you're logged in, look for the Account Info section, which you'll find conveniently located at the top left corner of the interface. This section is your gateway to managing your personal information and settings within Evernote. In the Account Info area, you'll see an Email Address section that lists your current email. Next to it, there should be an Edit option. Go ahead and click on that. Now, this is where you need to authorize the change. Evernote takes your security seriously, so you'll be prompted to enter your password. This step is crucial to make sure it's really you requesting the change, keeping your account secure from unauthorized edits. After you've entered your password, you'll have the chance to type in the new email address you'd like to associate with your Evernote account. Take a moment here to double-check the spelling of your new email, as any errors might create extra steps for you to correct later. Once you're sure it's correct, click on Change Email. This action sets the ball rolling for updating your records. One more critical step. Evernote will send a confirmation email to your new email address. This is to verify that you indeed have access to it and that it's correctly entered into the system. Open your email inbox and find the email from Evernote. It might end up in your spam or junk folder, so be sure to check those if you don't see it in your main inbox. Inside that email, there will be a verification link. Click on it, and this will officially confirm your email address change. Once the process is complete, you should see a confirmation screen stating "Email changed." It's a reassuring message that confirms everything has been updated successfully. However, until this confirmation is received, make sure to continue logging in using your old email address. Your updated email address won't take effect for sign-ins until you see that final confirmation. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have successfully changed your email in Evernote. Remember, keeping your account details up to date helps enhance your account security and ensures smooth communication through the platform. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you today.